Ironically, this is where I sat for about 14 years before they renovated this floor. It looks great, nice, wide open, welcoming kind of collaborative space.
Well, PwC chose to make the 21st floor more of a collaborative, open environment rather than a traditional workspace because we really wanted to increase flexibility. You don't have to make a reservation to be on this floor, so it really is increasing that flexibility and revolutionizing the way we work at PwC.
This is our 21st floor quiet room. We've never had a quiet room like this when I started with the firm back in 1997. So to see us dedicate space for employees to just steal away, meditate, speaks to what they believe in. Be well, work well. When you feel well, when you look well, you work well.
I've been with PricewaterhouseCoopers for the past 25 years, and I would have never thought it would turn out to be like this. It's amazing. It feels like I started a new job. All really, really good stuff.